done my Joe Wicks PE workout as well. So this is now the daily maths workout for us. Hope the camera's all right. Actually, some people probably have lost the booklets by now, I should imagine. So if you want that, they are the 5 questions, and you can pause it and have a little go before we go through the answers. Okay, right. Now I'm gonna rub those off. Right, let's go for it. Okay, so question number 1, we've got 2/3 times 7. This is week 21, day 4, by the way. I know we're a little bit behind, but now that I know what I'm doing, I'm up and running. Okay, so 2/3 times 7. I'll not sing the song again for you, but you should be remembering. Multiply by the top, divide by the bottom. So let's do it. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 what? 14/3. Now the top number is bigger than the bottom number, so it's an improper fraction, so we can divide by the bottom. So how many 3s can I fit into 14? 3, 6, 9, 12. Can't get an extra one because that would be 15. So that's 4 whole. And what's left over from 12? 13, 14. So 2/3 left over. The answer is 4 2/3. Well done. Okay.
Do not meet others.
Let's do question number 2. Got a feeling we're going to be super quick at this, and then I can start doing rapid reasoning videos as well. If I get some more people watching, 8 people watching at the minute, so that's really good. Spread the word. 79,191 for question 2. Take away mystery number equals 35,607. So I always say when we've got one of these mystery numbers, to look for the biggest number. So where's the biggest number? Well, we're doing a takeaway, so the biggest number must be at the start, because something, take away something, equals a smaller bit at the end, doesn't it? So how am I going to use these 2 numbers to make a smaller number? So I'm still doing a takeaway. That's what I'm going to have to do. Biggest number on top, 79,191. Take away, 35,000. Using the numbers in our fact family to work out the mystery number. Right, okay, let's do it. 1, take away 7. Can't do it. More on top, don't stop. More on the floor, knock next door. So we've got more on the top this time. 1, take away 7. Can't do it. Knock next door. Take 1 from him and give it to him. Or I might start saying her, actually, because why do I keep saying him? Anyway, work out the difference between 11 and 7. So I'm going to start from the one after 7 and count up. 8, 9, 10, 11. There's the difference. 4. 8, take away 0. More on top, don't stop. 8 take away 0 is 8. 8 take away nothing. 1 take away 6. More on top, don't stop. More on the floor. Knock next door. So I'm knocking next door again. He's got 9. She's got 9. They've got 9. Okay, so 8. I'm going to take one of those and give it to the next door neighbour. So 11 take away 6. Let's count the difference. Starting from the number after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The difference is 5, so I'm going to put that in the box. There's my thousands come out. 8 take away 5. Well, I can do that. 8 take away 5 because there's more at the top, which is 3. And 7 take away 3. I can do that as well. So that is 4. The answer is 43,584. And if we check that, which some of my class are really, really good at doing, so they can go ahead and check that to make sure that that calculation works out. I'm confident that it does. Right, let's go move on to question 3. Okay, 3. 7,860 times, I'm going to do these big because I'm going to need to get out my trusty post-it note. 78. Right, it's still on the radiator here waiting for me. I'm going to cover over the 7 because I don't need it at the minute. And I'm going to do this calculation. 7,860 times 8. Okay, hope you've been practicing times table rock stars and you know your 8 times table. Let's see if I do. 0 times 8 is 0. Nothing. I've got nothing. I've got 8 times. I've still got nothing. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 in the box. 4 on the doorstep. Now I've still got doorstep free, so I'm using it this time. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 squared. 64. Add the 4. 65, 66, 67, 68. 8 in the box. 6 on the doorstep. I'm going to cross them off because I don't need them anymore. 7 times 8, which is 56. Add the 6, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Start a new column. No more maths to do. Okay? Right. Don't need the 8 anymore. So I'm going to cover over the 7. I'm still doing the times, just in case you forget. Alright, now that isn't 7, is it? What does it stand for, really? It stands for 70. So I'm going to put in the viz, the very important 0, because then I am timesing by a 10 number instead. So, 0 times 7 is 0. Don't make that mistake and put 7 in the box. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 in the box. Now I've got, oh, should have crossed them off. I've got no doorstep left, so I'm going to fly this one in the sky. 42. 4 is flying in the sky. So I've done 0 times 7 is 0. 6 times 7 is 42. 8 times 7 won't do. 56. 57, 58, 59, 60. I've added in the 4. Okay, I don't need him anymore.
That's quite a long time.
46.
When you're actually doing it from
56.
scratch, it's quite a long time.
60, sorry.
What you need to do
Lost control there. And the last one, 6 is flying in the air. 7 times 7, which is 49. Add the 6. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Start a new column. Got one more maths to do. Right, where do I put the comma? It's coming 3 from the end. If you're not sure, I'll put it there. So I'm doing 62,880. Need to add these two answers together. 550,200. Now, last time this got chopped off the video, so I'll try and do it really small at the top. 0, 0 add 0, 0. 8 add 0 is 8. 8 add 2 is 10. 0 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 2 add 1 is 3. 5 add 6 is 11. 1 on the box, 1 on the doorstep. 5 add the 1 is 6. So the answer is 613,000 and just 80 at the end. 613,080. Did you get that? Please let me know if I've made any mistakes on this video. Okay.
The longer you prove it for, slowly, the better the crumb structure at the end.
Right. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 6 times 5 times 5. Now it's commutative, you can do it in any order. Don't forget when it's the times, I'm just going to do it in the order that it's in. Let me know if you do it a different way. 6 times 5 is 30. So the answer to this bit is 30, and then I'm going to do this bit here, 30 times 5. Well, probably do that in my head, but I'm going to put it in a column just to prove it. 0 times 5 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. The answer is 150. Right, done. Probably could have counted in 30s there. Count in 3s and then put the 0 on the end. Actually, that would have been easier, wouldn't it? 30 times 5. Let's do the magic. Smile on your maths. 3 times 5 is 15. And then drag the 0 across to make 150. That would have been much easier. Why didn't I do it that way? Okay. Right, and the last one. Right, so we're doing a divide. 3,375. I'm going to put it inside a bus stop. And I'm dividing by 6. So I'm counting in 6s. I want groups of 6. So I always say hold up that amount of fingers, because this is where some people go wrong sometimes. So I've got 3 inside the bus stop. I want groups of 6. How many groups of 6 can I make? I can't make any. So I've got 0. What am I going to do with these 3? I'm going to put them on the next 3 to make this new number, 33. Now I'm counting in 6s. How many 6s can I fit into 33? So let's count in 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Can't get to 36, so I've got 5. If you get stuck here, 6 times 5 is 30. I had 33, so 31, 32, 33. We know there's 3 left over. Let's put it on the next number, remainder 3. So put it on the 7 to make the number 37. Right, now I want to know how many 6s are there in 37. So counting in 6s again. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'm not going to get to the next number, 42. So I've got 6 with 1 left over, because 6 times 6 is 36, and I had 37. So there's the 1. I'm going to put it on that number to make the number 15. Right, you've done really well. You're sticking with me. This is the last one. How many 6s can I get into 15? 6, 12. Can't get to 18, so I can only get 2. So in today's divide, there is a remainder. How many? 6 times 2 was 12. I had 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remainder of 3. And that is the answer. 562, remainder 3. Did you get the same answers? Comment. Give me a little chat. And I'll speak to you next time. Bye.